You've all heard the expression, do the things and you'll get the results. That's all well and good, but there's two fundamental problems with that, and I want to share them with you now. My name's Edward Plant and I'm from the Business League. We support business owners connect, develop and grow their business. We've got a national community and they're all actively supporting each other thrive during these times. So you've heard the expression, do the things. That's all well and good, and I completely agree with it, except and unless you're doing these two things. The first one is, you're doing the wrong thing. Doesn't matter how many times you do it, if it's the wrong thing, it's not going to get you the right result. And I see this with the root habits that people put in place, and they've got the right intent, but the wrong habit. So it's not going to give you the right result. The second is, they've got the right intent, they've got the right habit, but they're doing it the wrong way. And so they're not executing it to the best. So they may only be getting the smaller results or the smaller movement. Whereas if you change the way you're doing it slightly, you'll project results forward quicker. So in a nutshell, yeah, sure, keep doing the right things in the right way and you'll definitely get results. Now it's a bit longer of a saying and not as catchy, but it's a lot more accurate. It's the same as people say, practice makes perfect. Practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes permanent. If you're doing the right things the right way, you'll make it perfect. But otherwise, you'll just make it permanent. And having a permanent bad habit is a bit of a hindrance. So what I'd love to do now is start a conversation with you below about your networking. What's one of those habits you need to do to improve your networking? Now in the Business League, we walk people through this. We create the habits tailored to that person to make sure they're doing the right things the right way to get the right results. But I'd love to hear, what are they for you? It's really personal, and I'd love to start that conversation. My name's Edward Plant. I'm going to leave you here, but I'm looking forward to seeing you at a networking event really soon and starting a conversation below.